In this video I am showing you how you can block someone on Instagram story. So to block someone on Instagram story, what you can do is you can also simply open your story in the top left corner, and here you have to tap on the more icon in the bottom right corner. You can see, and here you can see the story settings. In the last option, tap on the story settings and then you come to this page. In the viewing tab you can see the hide story from. Tap on this, and from here you can choose all the person from which you which you want to hide the story. So you can choose the all the person from which you want to hide the story, and then go back, and here you can see it is hiding a story from 3 people. To unblock this person to see your story, you can simply uncheck this box, and then that's it, that how you can hide a story from someone. So that's it, that how you can do this. Another way to do this is you have to open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and then open the settings. When you are here, tap on the privacy settings, and then here you can, in the interactions tab, you can see the story. Tap on the story, and here it is saying that hide a story from 2 people. You can simply open this, and then you can also hide a story from other people. You can choose all the people from which you want to hide the story, and then go back, and now the story is hidden from the 7 people. To unblock these persons, you can simply uncheck these boxes, and now you are done. So that's it, how you can block and unblock someone on Instagram story. So that's it, how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.